Welcome to our recorded class, Rufa. This is the pre-kinder level online class and the date for today is February 26, 2025. To start with our recorded class, I want you to count your numbers from 1 to 100. So how about you count with me and I will check the numbers on the screen. Let us start with the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. And let's go down so that you can also see the rest of the numbers because we'll have to also count from 1 to 100. So how about after 90, we have 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. So those are the numbers that we counted 1 to 100. Now I will jump to the next part of our online recorded class today. And that is a reminder for our video here. So please be reminded that this is an overview lesson video for the UB and at words CVC words worksheet this week. So your work, it's about UB and at. It's a combined lesson. Not all work from your book are found in this video. And then for the classes here, instead of February 19, it's for February 24 and February 26 work because yesterday was a holiday and you weren't able to go to class last Monday. So here, this is the these are the classes for this work, and we also have the pages. You'll have to answer pages 78 to 87 of your fourth quarter CVC book. So now let's jump to another part of our recorded class, and that is also to answer for our work. So in your book, you had the at words. So I think this is from a previous work and you have to check, did you find all your at words? Now for this work, you get to color for the matching word. Let's do color red for our word gut. Okay, so we have a picture of gut. We'll get to use different colors for each word, okay? So we have the gut. Where is the word gut? G-U-T. So I will color gut. G-U and letter T should be color red. Let's find our gut. It should be color red. G-U-T, red. Do you think I found all the gut words? Am I done? Not yet. Do you still see some gut words in our work here? Oh, there's some more. So how about we continue? This one is got. Is it this one or this one? It's this. We have our gut, G-U-T, gut. There's also another one down here. That's gut, G-U-T. So let's see. Let's go down and check for our gut. We have to do it one by one to see if we found all our gut words. How about for our other word, and that is the hot? So, Rufa, let's find our hot words. I will use green. Okay. How about HUT? That's how we spell hot. So, remember, you can check your work and you can go back and see if you did also the same thing with me on this recorded class. Hut, HUT. Remember, a hut is a kind of house. Hut, HUT, hut. HU and letter T, hut. HU and letter T, hut. Do you think we found all the hut words? HU and letter T, hut. Okay, I think we're done with this one. No more hot words. Let's do another color this time. Let's use pink for shut. So how do we spell shut? Shut has the letters S-H-U-T. S-H-U-T, this is shut. S-H-U-T, shut. Okay, we have shut. What else? How about this one? Is this shut or this one? This one is shut. Let's go look around for shut. Is this the word shut? Yes, I'm going to color shut. And then this one also is shut. What else is for our shut word? We have to color it. We have to find it. This one is shut. And the last one, this one also. So I think we don't have any remaining shut words. Let's go to another word, and that is for our word cut. So we have the picture of cut. How do you spell cut? C-U and letter T. C-U and letter T. This is cut. Where is our cut? Is this cut? Yes. What about this one? Is this cut? No. But what about this one? Yes, we have to do this. It's cut. Color this one. This spells out cut. And this one too. Where is our cut? This one is cut. Next one. This one is also cut. Another one. This one as well. Okay, I think we found all our cut words. But let's go back. I missed a word for shut. So I will go back. This is shut. S-H-U-T. Let's color it pink. Okay, Rufa, we have one last word and that is the nut. N-U-T, nut. I want you to find nut. A nut is a kind of snack. N-U-T, nut. Let's color for nut. N-U and the letter T, nut. N-U and the letter T, nut. Let's continue coloring for nut. N-U-T, nut. N-U, letter T, nut. N-U, letter T, nut. Okay, Rufa, if you finish this work for our at words, good job for you. And you get to also check for the words that you colored properly. If it matches our uh, pictures on the work. Now, if you're done with the work, good job. But if you're not yet done, pause the video, play it again once you are done. I will move to the next page, and some of the work, remember, these are not found in your book, but we can answer it on the screen to help you understand the words up and at. So how about for our words that we need to color match. So let's see. We have the picture of the cub. Remember, a cub is a baby bear. It can be a baby lion or a baby tiger. Let us color for the word cub. Where is cub? C-U-B. This one is cub. Okay, next, another word is the sub. The short word for submarine is sub. S-U-B, sub. Where is our sub? This is the sub. Okay, next, in the bathroom, you can see a tub. You can take a bath in a tub. T-U-B. Where's tub? This is tub. Okay, next, what about cut? I want to use the scissors to cut. C-U-T. This is cut. Another one is the hut. H-U-T. This is hut. Okay, next we have the nut. N-U-T, nut. We also have nut. So these are the and ut words that we can remember. Now, what about for the next part? I think you have this work on your work for your book there. And you get to color. We'll get to use different colors to color match also. So how about for the first one, we have the word sub, S-U-B, sub, and we are going to color sub yellow. It says here yellow. It's the yellow word, S-U-B, sub. So the part with the word sub, it has to be yellow. And we have to follow the instruction because it's part of your work. So this part is sub. Where else is sub? It's this big part. So it has to be color yellow. So let's color this part yellow. A sub goes under water. Some scientists, they ride the sub to see the animals underwater. They get to learn and study the animals. What are the animals doing under the sea? So if you want to be like the scientists, you can also ride a sub to check the animals. They check the whales, the dolphins, the sharks, even the animals that go and live in the deepest parts of our ocean. So in those parts, it's very dark. The light from the sun cannot reach it. So the scientist will need to ride a submarine. So we already have our subwords colored. So it's the two parts here. S-U-B, sub. Now what about for our next word? Our next word needs to be color blue. And this is the word what? Nut. It's the nut. So let's color nut blue. It says here blue. So where is nut? N-U-T, nut. Let's color this part blue. N-U-T, nut. A nut is a kind of snack. You can eat it. But if you're allergic to nuts, you cannot eat it. So some people, they are not allowed to eat the nuts. It makes them sick. And you need to also ban bringing nuts in the school because some classmates are not allowed to eat it. There's going to be an allergy that will make them feel sick if they try to eat the nuts. So that's why we, the teachers and the school, has to ban the nuts. We're not allowed to bring nuts or else the classmates that are allergic to it will get sick. Now that we're done with nut, how about let's go do another word and this time we have b. It's the word k b. Cub. A baby bear is a cub. A baby tiger and a lion is a cub. Now, the color word that we need to use is for orange. Let's find the word cub. C-U-B, cub. This part here is the word cub. There's an arrow pointing at this part of the sub. We have cub. Okay, next, another word is what? What do you see here? C, U, and letter T. That is cut. K, t. Let's color for cut. We have the color green for cut. Now, where is cut? C-U-T. This part of our sub is cut. Okay, now we're down to the last one. And our word here, we have the word t-a-b, tub. So what's our word? That's tub. You can take a bath in a tub. And its color what? It's gray. Grey is gray. Sometimes we also spell it with A in the middle instead of Y. So we have gray. Let's use our black on the screen because I don't have gray on my toolbox for coloring. No gray. So I will use black instead. But let's pretend this is gray. So here are the words that we colored and we followed the instruction. And let us read these words: sub, nut, cub, cut, and tub. So these are the up and ut words that we need to find and color in the work. Now, can I move to the next page? I will jump to the next work. But if you're not yet done, you can pause the video, play it again once you are done. Okay, we have the list for the words of and at words. But first, before we try to list them down, how about we color for our picture? So I want you to color for your work if you have this page. I will be coloring with a sky blue color, a light blue color. And when I color, I try not to get out of the lines. So let's color this one. Let's see here. Remember, we have to color the white spaces. Let's color some more. Now on your work, you have to color also this part and you get to also check if you colored properly. Remember, we color neatly. We try not to get out of the line. We try not to make lampas. You're a big kid. You have to try and color nicely, okay? So here we have our sub. S-U-B, sub. And one of the up words here is our sub. So let's spell out for sub. We have the letters S, U, and the letter B for the word sub. We have sub next, another up word that you can find, a word that ends with B and has letter U in the middle. We have the tub, T, U, and the letter B, tub. We also have cub, C, U, and the letter B, cub. Now, what about our ut words, words that has U and T, ut sound? Let's write for the first one, hut. H, U, and the letter T, hut. Next, we also have the nut. N, U, and the letter T, nut. And the last one, let's spell out for cut. C, U, and the letter T, cut. So let's see, we have sub, tub, cub. Another one, hut, nut, and cut. So these are the words with the letter U in the middle. So let's erase. If you're not yet done, pause the video. But if you're done, let us move to the next page. For this work, we get to write for our words and we get to color the picture. Sorry, let me unmute myself. Going back, we are going to work on the following words. We get to read and we get to write the word and color the picture on the right side. So the first word is the word sub. Sub. S-U-B. This is sub. So where is sub? The sub is this one. Sometimes sub can be a different picture and that is a long sandwich. Okay, another one we have hut. Hut. H-U-T. Hut. A hut is a kind of house. So where is your hut? We have to color our hut. Okay, next. What else do we have? We have our cut. C-U-T, cut. C, U, and the letter T, cut. Let's color for our cut. We use our scissors to cut. Okay, another one. We have tub. Tub. This is tub. You can take a bath in a tub. T, U, and the letter B, that is tub. So let's color for tub. T, U, and letter B, tub. Then what about another word? This is cub. Cub. C, U, and the letter B, cub. The baby bear, the small bear, is a cub. So let's color for our cub. Now these are the ob and at words that we have read. We have the sub, hut, cut, tub, and the cub. Let's erase the writings and I will move on to this part of the work. Now you get to also find the ob and at words. This time, let's color. You can use your dabber to dab the following pictures. I found the nut. This is a hut. I also found cub. And we also have the tub. This one, it's the sub. And the last one, it's the cut. So let's spell out first for our up words. The first one, I have cub, C, U, and letter B, cub. Another one, what else? T, U, and the letter B, this is tub. Next, the sub, S, U, and the letter B, sub. What about for our cut? C, U, and letter T, cut. We also have a hut. H, U, and the letter T, hut. And the last one, a snack, we have the nut. N, U, and letter T, nut. So again, what are the ob and ut words? We have the cub, tub, and sub. These are up words. Our ut words, cut, hot, and nut. Now, if you are done with the work, good job. But if you're not yet done, pause the video, play it again once you are done. Can I move to the next one? I'll erase this one. And I'll go jump to the words that are ob and at. So the first word, this is tub. What else can we also color? Another at word, it's the cut. Another one, nap, sun, and also mug don't end with B and T. But cub, we can color it. And nut, we can color it. And what else? The last one, sub. We can color sub in this column. That's the last one, sub. But here, in this one, HUT, that's hot. It's an at word. So let's spell them out in the right box. We have to start with the up words. T, U, and the letter B. This is tub. Next one, cub. C, U, and the letter B, cub. Another one, we have another up word. S, U, and letter B, this is sub. Okay, what about for our at words? We have hut, H, U, letter T, hut. Nut, H, N, U, letter T, nut. And the last one, cut, C, U, and the letter T, cut. So let's read tub, cub, sub. These are all our words. And then hut, nut, cut. These are all the at words. Now, if you are not yet done, pause the video, play it again once you are done. But I'll have to move to the next page and let us see. Let's erase and let's go to this one. Let's do our up and at word search. Okay, the first one, SUB, sub. So let's find our sub. This one is sub, SUB. Next one, a b, cub. Where can we find cub? CUB, a b, cub. This one is cub. Okay, next, a b, tub. I can take a bath in a tub. Do you find cub? Sorry, tub there? TUB. Yes, that is tub. Okay, another one. A t, cut. Where is your cut? CUT. I found it. It's here hiding. CU and letter T. Cut. Next. N, n, t, nut. Where's the nut? NUT, nut. We have our nut. Okay, next one. A hut. Where is our hut? HUT, this is hut. Okay, our sentence needs to have the word. It's missing already. So the kind of house that you see, this is hut. HU and letter T, we have our hut. I live in a hut. Next one, I wash in a, what's this one? It's a tub. TU and letter B, a tub. Okay, next we have our paper and the scissors. That's our cut. C, U, and letter T, cut. Let's cut the paper. And then the last one, a baby bear, a small bear. That is a cub. C, U, and letter B, cub. A small bear is a cub. So how about for our sentences? Let's read. I live in a hut. Next one. I wash in a tub. Let's cut the paper. A small bear is a cub. So these are all the ab and at words. Now, if you're not yet done with the work, pause the video, play it again once you are done. How about let's jump to the next, okay? Let's erase this one and I will move on to the missing word again. So we get to write for our words. Now this time, this is part of your work as well. It is on page 86 and we get to write the missing word in your sentence. Before we read our sentences, let's write the word. We have the picture of the tub. Where's tub? T-U-B, tub. T U, and the letter B, tub. Next one, this is a cub. So where is our word cub? C-U-B, cub. C-U, and letter B, cub. Okay, next. This is called a sub, S-U-B. This is sub, S-U, and letter B, sub. And then how about the scissors? We cut. Where's cut? C-U-T, cut. C-U and letter T, cut. Now what about your nut? N-U-T, nut. Where is our nut? This is the nut. N-U and the letter T, nut. And the last one, this is our hut. H-U-T, hut. H-U and the letter T, hut. So let's read our sentences so that we will see what our word is about. I have a bath in the tub. Next one, the bear is a cub. The sub is under water. Did you cut on the line? Did you eat the nut? Let's build a hut. So we have all the up and at words on our screen. Now let's jump to another part. But if you're not yet done, pause the video, play it again once you are done. Let's erase this one and we will jump to spelling out our word. So I found the word sub. S, U, and the letter B. This is sub. Next one, cut. C, U, and the letter T. Cut. What about this one? That's rub. R, U, and the letter B. Rub. I rub my tummy if I have a stomach ache. Next, it's the hut. H, U, and letter T. We have our hut. Okay, next, I think I'm going to write for nut. N, U, and letter T, nut. And I can take a bath in a tub. T, U, and the letter B, tub. Next, how about for 7 and 8? We have missing words that we need to write. So for these ones, it's not part of our wheel, but we get to write for our words. So one of our words that it's not in the wheel, let's try to write for the word grub. Grub, grub. A grub is a kind of worm. It's a bug. So we have our grub. It's it's a slimy, icky insect, grub. Instead of a worm, it looks like a caterpillar, grub. Then how about our ut words? Let's write for rut. R-U-N-T, rut. When you're on a muddy road, and then your car gets stuck in the muddy road, you are in a rut. So it's hard to go out of a rut. You'll get stuck in there. You'll need a help of a big vehicle to pull you out. So again, what are the words that we have? Sub, cut, rub, hut, nut, tub, grub, and rut. So these are the words that I wrote on the screen, and maybe you can do also in your work. Now, if you're not yet done, pause the video, play it again once you are done. Let's erase this one and let's go do the last part of our video. And that is to read the passage and you'll have to answer the questions with me. So let's read about the cub. Sam was in his hut. He heard a noise. He looked outside and saw a cub. The cub was lost. So let's answer. Sam was at the park, in a hut, or at the shops? He was where? He was in a hut, staying in a hut. Okay, next. Sam heard a squeak, a roar, or a noise. He heard a noise. What did Sam do? He hid, he looked outside, or he called his mom. From our story, he looked outside because of the noise. Okay, next. What did Sam see? He saw a dog, a snake, or a cub. You have, oh, you saw a snake or a cub? In our story, it's a cub. Okay, so we have all our questions answered already. And if you are not yet done with this page, you pause the video, you play it again once you are done. Now, I will end for our video class for this online class. And if you finish all your work today, Rufa, good job. But if you're not yet done, you pause the video, you play it again once you are done. And since I'm going to end this video, I have all the sticker friends for you. So we have our animal friends. The number one is called an axolotl. This one is the cat. I think this one is a squirrel. I'm not sure. We have a dog. This one is a pug, a kind of dog. A rabbit, a bird, a crocodile, and also the deer. So these are all the sticker friends that you can get. And I will see you again when you come back here to school. Thank you for finishing the work today and watching this video. Bye bye.